Hey everyone, did you know you could make a significant amount of money? Like I'm talking like $50 a month passively by receiving texts? I bet you didn't, and I'm going to go over a few apps that allow you to do so. And these are applications that I know have genuine backing behind them, so I hope this video helped you guys out. Wait till the end for another surprise to get free service, and yeah, let's get right into it. First application we're going to talk about is McMoney. Now, McMoney is an SMS testing application, which is basically you get payments for text varies by location, and you can expect at least one text per 3 days, and the payment is PayPal only. It's basically somebody will send you a text, and that's basically to verify that texting service. It's a testing website and pays you to be part of their program. The next thing that we have is Money SMS. Money SMS is basically a popular SMS testing application. Users receive 0.02 euros, about $22, a point 0.022 in US dollars per text. Payouts are exclusively in euros, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. If you want dollars, PayPal makes it easy to convert currency for a small fee. So it's basically like I'd say it's an SMS testing application just like MacMoney. Then there's SMS Profit, which pays 1 cent to 6 cents per text and sends over one text per day. You can receive payment to PayPal or Bitcoin. This works in the same way, where you will be tested on SMS testing essentially. Now, coming back to my initial promise, there's something known as TextNow. Now, TextNow works a little differently, where they basically have ads on their website or their app, which allows for them to pay for their application and gets you free service. Now, this is another form of payment. If you look at it, it saves you the service charge, so in turn it pays you really well. So yeah, that's basically it, everybody. There's other ways to earn money through texting as well, and you're more than welcome to explore them to your full need. But these are the few applications that I've seen that have worked the best for a lot of people. So yeah, that's about it, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys out.